RV cameras that actually work? Haloview BTC129 puts the others to shame. See it to believe it. You're cruising down the highway, towing your fifth wheel, gripping the wheel like it owes you money, because let's be real, your current side view situation is basically a blindfold. Old cameras lag, distort, or just ghost you entirely when you need them most. That gut-wrenching "did I just sideswipe a Prius" feeling isn't just annoying, it's dangerous. You waste precious seconds second-guessing your next lane change, exit, or merge. It's like RVing with your eyes half closed. Enough is enough. If your setup's not giving you crystal-clear visuals 24/7, it's time for a serious glow-up. Every sketchy lane change, last-second swerve, or curb kiss adds stress that slowly eats away at the joy of travel. Missed turns. Parking lot chaos. Constant mirror-checking madness. It's exhausting. And don't even mention backing into tight campground spots while your co-pilot screams directions like a hostage negotiator. You didn't buy your RV to live in fear. You got it to live free. But without the right eyes on the road, that dream road trip can quickly turn into a cautionary tale on RV forums. Don't let bad tech hold your adventure hostage. This ain't your daddy's blurry backup cam. The Haloview BTC129 wireless RV side marker light cameras snap into place like they belong there, and instantly start flexing full 1080p HD video with zero lag. Yup, it's a side marker and a camera, two for the price of one. Night vision? Crystal clear. Dim light color? Full on, baby. Compatible with Haloview's BT7 or BT6 systems, this bad boy gives you a real-time, wide-angle look at what's lurking in your blind spot. Weatherproof. Reliable. Slick. It's not just a camera, it's a game-changer on wheels. Why keep struggling with outdated gear when you can roll with tech that actually gets it? The BTC129 isn't just about safety, it's about confidence. You'll glide through traffic with pro-level awareness, park with surgical precision, and finally give your mirrors a break. With easy install, reliable wireless range, up to 65 feet, and rave reviews from RVers who've seen the light, this isn't an upgrade, it's a necessity. Click the link, peep the setup, and imagine your next trip without the stress. Thousands of RVers already made the switch, what are you waiting for? Supplies limited, seriously, Haloview fans are obsessed, and road trip season waits for no one. Stop white-knuckling it. Stop guessing. Start gliding. This is your moment to level up your RV life and drive like a boss. Hit that buy now before the next lane change becomes your next horror story. Your peace of mind is literally one click away, don't miss it.